Hello guys, welcome to Rocks and Quams. How's it going, man?
I'm doing good, man. How you doing?
I'm alright. I hope you guys are good too. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe. We need your support. Yeah, man.
So today we got some Japanese drill. Hide Yoshi.
Nice.
Man, what the hell is this? Majina Hanashi.
I watch a lot of Japanese anime, right? And one time I was watching this show, Dr. Stone. Yeah, and there's the names. I was like, shit. One, I was writing some of the names that maybe I'll call my son my son's first name in Japanese.
Really?
Some of the names are sick.
Like what? What would you name him?
Tasumi or something. No, not like that. But I mean, so you have six certain names. Tasumi, Himiko.
Sasuke.
Like, yeah, you see what I'm saying? Some of them are funny. Like the way they pronounce it, so it's calm.
Sasuke.
Yeah.
Majina Hanashi.
Yeah, wait.
Hide Yoshi. Yeah, man.
俺は成し遂げるマジな話マジな話マジな話退屈で首が出るみたいな話みたいな話みたいな話うるせ黙れクス俺は曲を書くチャリこぎすぎツール・ド・フランス東京から飛び立つ成田か羽田お金の雨を降らすために稼いでるまず今も相変わらず俺のことを軽視してた人たちにもはや興味がねえしあまり気にしないだから平気だけどうざいのはうざい Yeah うざいのはうざい Sorry
He looks like a Japanese Lil Uzi.
Yeah.
He just looks small and I don't know. He looks mixed. Yeah, it looks
Looks
I don't
mixed,
know,
innit?
like what with though? What do you think?
I think I mean, I don't know.
Wow.
There's dark skin Japanese,
Yeah.
so maybe he's one of them.
Wow, the rain.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So far though, it's sounding cold.
Mhm.
It's sounding cold. I like the vibe. It's like some like dark vibe. And, yeah.
Yeah, in some of the animes, you see the songs is hard.
Yeah.
Some hip hops is hard.
The beat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
だけどうざいのはうざい Yeah うざいのはうざい Sorry not sorry 常に満身創痍 Yeah バカにつける薬なんてないいつか仲間たちと見る世界俺たちずっと一人ではない下から上に上がっていくのみ Yeah 俺は成し遂げるマジな話マジな話マジな話退屈で首が出るみたいな話みたいな話みたいな話 Living yourself more than good 勢いよく飛び跳ねろ、yeah、他に道はないと思うやりたいように生きる俺は成し遂げるマジな話マジな話マジな話退屈で首が出るみたいな話みたいな話みたいな話俺は成し遂げるマジな話マジな話マジな話退屈で首が出るみたいな話みたいな話みたいな話
It's more like singing, innit? It's nice.
As good as it sounded, I did expect like some sort of change.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like what you see when it changed, when you saw the two girls there, I thought it was gonna switch up a little bit or something.
That girl was nice.
That's all you could see.
That's all I can see in the video.
So,
But yeah, no, it's a good song, innit? I might even listen to this one when I'm going for a walk.
yeah, it's quite a good song.
Yeah.
Defo. Well, yeah, someone's. By the way, if any of you are wondering, my Johanna, it's like saying real talk, which
Damn.
means serious. So Okay, Maji equals real or real. Nah is a joiner when something is relation. Okay, I get it. Okay, cool.
Just for real talk, it's a long name. It's long for a real for it to be just real talk.
Real talk, like 20 what letters, isn't it?
But it's a good song,
Yeah,
yeah.
man. Hide your she. Yo, we need to hear some more Japanese artists, isn't it?
Yeah, guys, request more Japanese songs, Chinese songs, whichever songs in Asia.
Definitely. Yeah. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Hopefully this doesn't get blocked, because I was thinking. And yeah, see you in a new video. Peace.